I think one of the only ways that you can succeed as an entrepreneur is if you start amazingly, humbly small. And if you're not willing to start really small by going out and making a couple $100 and getting excited about that, if that doesn't make you excited because you want to take over the world or you want to have the next big invention or you want to raise money from Mark Cuban on Shark Tank, you are not going to be able to stick it out because it's a 5-year journey to get some momentum and it's a 10-year journey to get wealthy. So if you are wanting it all right now, if you're studying the big stories, if you're inspired and constantly getting pulled and drawn by the next shiny thing, you're never going to succeed. So I'm going to try to get my kids, if they want to be entrepreneurs, I'm going to try to get them to think small and be excited about the small stuff. I want them to be excited by selling a cup of lemonade on the corner for $1.50. I want that to be exciting to them, because if it's not, they don't have a chance. If they have to have big money deals and scalable and world-changing stuff to be excited about entrepreneurship, they're never going to make it, period. If they get excited by the little things, if going out and mowing lawns and getting paid $450 after 2 weeks of hard work, if that's exciting to them, then they'll make it. So I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try to keep them away, keep them shielded from all this shiny, sexy entrepreneurship media. I think it is ruining America and our next generation of entrepreneurs, because it's not realistic, it's not approachable, the advice is not applicable, and it's just not feasible for most people. Most people are not Elon Musk. Most people are not Steve Jobs. Most people are just trying to figure out what they're going to do for the next 4 hours of their day. That's who we are. Like, we're humans. We make mistakes. We're flawed. We're going to make a lot of mistakes in business, and you got to make mistakes when the stakes are low. You got to start really small. You got to be excited by the little stuff. And as it compounds, as the momentum builds, you do bigger stuff. Higher stakes, but more critical decisions with more on the line, and you just get better and better and better.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.